Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Wix store. First, you will need to create a free Wix account. Once registered, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates. Select one that best suits your brand and product type. After selecting your template, navigate to the editor and add the online store feature. This step is crucial as it integrates all the necessary e-commerce tools into your website, preparing it for selling products to customers. Next, it is time to populate your store with products. For each item, upload high-quality images and write compelling, detailed descriptions. You will also need to set the price, manage inventory levels, and define specific shipping options. Remember to customize your store's design elements, such as colors, fonts, and layouts, to ensure it perfectly reflects your brand's unique identity. A well-designed store enhances the customer experience. Now, let us configure your payment and shipping settings. Connect secure payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or Wix payments to process customer transactions smoothly. Define your shipping rules, including various rates for different delivery zones, and specify your shipping carriers. Additionally, it is essential to set up tax collection accurately based on your business location and the relevant tax regulations. This ensures compliance and a seamless checkout process for your customers. Finally, you are ready to launch your online store. Before going live, conduct a thorough review of all your store settings, product details, and checkout process. Ensure everything is perfect. Consider connecting a custom domain name like yourbusiness.com to give your brand a professional edge. Once you are confident, hit the Publish button. Your Wix store will then be live and accessible to customers worldwide, ready to start generating sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.